Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to install the Sahyadri Type A crash guard on my 2019 Dominar. So this is the Type A crash guard. Actually I got the unfinished crash guard from them and did the powder coating from my locality. It took me somewhat around 150 rupees or something. And these are the nuts and bolts which we need for the installation. This particular nut is going for the upper part of the crash guard. This is going to the lower part of the crash guard. This is for the middle connecting rod which we have in the Type A crash guard, and these bolts are going to go inside the frame slider, and these are the spanners just in case if we need them. So yeah, and before we begin with the installation, I have this Stanley 46 piece toolkit which is very useful. You can see the wide range of Allen key bolts and everything which we want to tight we can use. So guys, we have started with the installation, and first we are going to fix the left side of the crash guard. So this is the left side, and first we'll be installing the frame sliders inside the crash guard. So yeah, we are going to use 6mm Allen key screws for this particular thing, and we are going to tighten it. I guess it is tight now, right? So the frame slider has been installed on the right side, the left side. Now we are going with the right side. So installation, same process, same Allen key we are using. Is it done? Okay, fine. So the second frame slider is also installed. Now we directly move to the installation part, the installation of crash guard on the bike. So let's you need to use the third last one. This installation is very easy. Even if you want, you can do it on your own. Just one thing is there that you need the toolkit. Now guys, the right and left side of this crash guard has been installed. The only thing left is the connecting rod, and then we are done with the installation. So let's Now connect the connecting rod. We're going to install the middle connector rod now. As you can see, there is a nut going inside and there is two thick spacers. So guys, we have successfully installed the Type A Sahyadri crash guard now, and as I said you before, this is the only 2019 Dominar which is having Type A crash guard of Sahyadri, and you can just check the sturdiness of this particular crash guard. Actually, before installing this, I had asked many people who are using Type A crash guard on the 2018 model and the 2017 model. They said, they gave me good reviews about the crash guard. That is the reason why to install this one. And as I said, I wanted a minimal crash guard, so I guess this suits my purpose. And that's it for today, guys. I'll meet you in the next video.